Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. So आज का वीडियो पर हम बात करेंगे WhatsApp पर स्टेटस का ऑप्शन कैसे लाए और WhatsApp का स्टेटस ऑप्शन नहीं दिखा रहा है तो उसका इशू कैसे फिक्स करेंगे. So in order to fix it, first thing first, what you need to do is check your internet connection and then open up or log in into your WhatsApp. So WhatsApp ने currently एक नया अपडेट दिया है फीचर, as अपडेट का ही नाम है ऊपर. So instead of status आप देखेंगे अपडेट ही. Over here you can also follow the channels. आप channel भी create कर सकते हैं only if you have a verified business. Now if you're interested in any of these following users and information, you can just follow them and you can get an update regularly. अब आपको ये status का option चाहिए. Now this feature is actually an inbuilt feature, so it cannot be removed. So आप जो भी try कीजिए ये remove नहीं हो सकता है. Now there is an alternative. What you can do is you can simply uninstall this particular application or the updated version of WhatsApp. After that आपको web browser का open करना पड़ेगा. After that you need to type in WhatsApp old version. After that you can find a lot of search results, so you can see these are all the old version of WhatsApp. You can just go to this up to down this link because this has a lot of features. Now in fact this has all the information. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये लिंक पे जाके आपको old version WhatsApp डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा. After that you need to, after you have created your account, आपको अपडेट का वजह स्टेटस ही दिखाएगा because this is actually an old version. So old version WhatsApp पे ये अपडेट का ऑप्शन नहीं है. So recently अपडेट वाला WhatsApp पर है. So this is the only way to get a status option on WhatsApp, और कोई थर्ड पार्टी एप्लीकेशन भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं on your Play Store. So ऐसे आपको WhatsApp का status option मिलेगा on your WhatsApp application. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.